Hey, welcome to It's Science, a show where you can watch
It's Science! Mr. Hugh.
Anyways, today we're going to be making
Oobleck!
You'll need some gloves.
Not those kinds of gloves. What did we talk about? Put these on.
Help me. It's like the walls are caving in.
Put these on.
Oobleck. You'll also need
Oobleck.
You'll also need some safety goggles.
Not swim goggles.
Take them off. What did we talk about? Okay. You put it in your bowl. And then you're gonna put
1 cup of cornstarch in. Okay, now mix them together. And you can add more of everything that you need because there's no exact measurements for eating.
No! Always remember, don't eat it. It's not for eating. Even though the ingredients are somewhat edible, you never eat what you're making. Unless you're making food. So,
And here is what the final product should look like.
well, how it works. There's not enough friction when you stop playing with it. That makes it melt. It becomes a liquid because all the molecules are forming together to make either a liquid or a solid. Bye, guys!
Hope you enjoy!